So we've been just kind of walking around, and now we are at Parque de Mexico. I'll show you around this park. It's cool. It's got some cool statues. A lot of people walk their dogs and everything, but it's a really, really nice place here in Condesa, Mexico City. They've got these really cool like dog areas, and around the area they also have people selling some dog furniture and things like that. But this is the biggest dog park I think I've ever seen, and it's pretty cool.
It's always busy here.
Yeah.
Weekdays, weekends. You have to see the dog walkers. So we go by the other park.
Hey, hey. Hey, you're so cute. You're so cute.
¿Qué tipo de perro?
Son criollitos, ¿eh? Bueno, este es un gatito y son criollitos, van a ser talla chica, mediana. Son perritos rescatados de la calle.
Todd found a new friend. He's a cute doggy.
¿Cuántas semanas?
Tienen como 8 o 9 semanas.
Yeah. Yeah.
But,
Check out this statue. So this is a cool little spot. We got a little of everything. Kids skateboarding on their scooters, throwing a football, American football. Look at this little obstacle course type thing here. It's pretty cool. It's beautiful weather, by the way. It's probably about 80 degrees out. Little humidity. It's a little humid, but not too bad. But it's a beautiful day here in Mexico City. There's cool little shops in here.
La chichona.
Nice fountains. Oh, I want to film this guy on the guitar. Hola.
Gracias, familia.
La mujer en el amor se parece a la gallina.
Okay, it's okay.
La mujer en el amor se parece a la gallina. En cuanto el gallo se muere, a cualquier pollo se arrima. Guantanamera, Guajira, Guantanamera, Guantanamera, Guantanamera.
It's okay. It's okay.
Guajira, Guantanamera, Guajira, Guantanamera, Guajira, Guantanamera. Con los pobres de la tierra quiero yo mi suerte echar. Con los pobres de la tierra quiero yo mi suerte echar. El arroyo de la sierra me complace más el mar. Guantanamera de Cuba, Guajira, Guantanamera, Guantanamera, Guajira, Guantanamera, Guantanamera, Guajira, Guajira, Guantanamera, Guantanamera.
So check out this park, guys. This is the other side of Parque de Mexico. And same thing, we got all kinds of, just some vendors, children's park. Some street musicians.
Outdoor gym.
Oh, no way. So this is an outdoor gym over here. You see these all over America. Just kidding. People working out. So we've been strolling through a couple neighborhoods. We're in the Condesa part of Mexico City right now. And we are in Parque de Espana here. Again, a lot of dog walking. There's some cool statues and fountains. And Todd and I will show you what's going on. So here we are, Parque de Espana in Mexico City. There's a lot of dogs, of course. A lot less crowded than the other park.
Me parece raro, o sea, que estoy tomando agua, pero no sé si quiero tomar algo frío. Tengo la sensación de querer algo. No tengo sed, pero quiero algo frío. Algo frío.
So I've seen quite a few of these street sweepers around, and the brooms they use are pretty amazing. Hola.
Hola.
lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt, scented Novocaine, nature's brew of all kinds of things.
So this concludes our walking tour of the two parks, Parque de Mexico and Parque de Espana. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next Mexico City video. Say bye, Todd.
The simple times in the Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight. Endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creature's days to nocturnal days, makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder, satisfy the times that make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight. That was dang in the middle of that. We're almost there, guys. My favorite type of NC is latency.